Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to rotate your video in Filmora. If you guys want to rotate any video frame or a video clip to add your creativity, then this video is for you. First, open the Filmora app on your mobile device, then select the video which you want to rotate. After selecting the video, you'll see many options. Simply tap on the video itself, then use your index and thumb rotate your video. There are no specific buttons to rotate your video. You can simply rotate your video using your two fingers. And this is it. Now you guys know how to rotate a video in Filmora. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.